Hello everyone and welcome to Garden of Designs. Today I'm going to show you a new type of dolls that we have here in our garden, and I'm hoping you will enjoy them. It will be jointed dolls, so let me show you what I mean. This is the first design from the jointed collection. This is Maya the bird, the new version. And check out how cute it is. This is the 8x14. This is the biggest size, and this is the 6x10. I'm going to show you in my arms just how big they are. So this is the big one. It is just as big as a 9-month-old baby. In fact, we used a real baby dress to dress her, so you can fit baby clothes on these toys. And let me show you the 6x10. And this is the 6x10. You can see she's pretty big for a 6x10 hoop. And the design includes this top, and you only have to make a little skirt, or you can use, as I said, some baby clothes. I think this one fits a newborn clothes. And here you can see she's fully jointed, so the arms move and she sits properly and the head turns. This is a very versatile toy, and of course there will be many more to come. I'm going to show you some of the future ones right now. This is the very cute Scarecrowd Doll. This is amazing for fall to make one for your loved one. She has these small details, the hearts on the soles of her feet, and we will have different faces for this one, so you can make a little girl, a very cute little girl. So we will have different faces that you can buy and switch for this doll. She also has real clothes that fits a 9-month-old baby, so you can use your baby's clothes for when she was small, or you can go to a thrift store and get the very cute clothes, and you can use it on this doll. This is Cordelia, the cow version. Of course, she has soles looking like this specifically for the cow. She's also wearing a real dress from the baby section, and her head is fully mobile. And let me just show you how the back looks. So it's just like a normal doll, no seams or anything. And this is how she looks. She's so pretty. And of course we needed to have a cute bunny. Just check out the soles of her feet and her hands. She's very cute. As I said, she comes with a t-shirt that is in the hoop. It's done when you do the body, so it's not a separate one, and the skirt you need to do it separately. She's so cute. And check out these lumpy ears. These are perfect for you to add some names or a date or something. So enjoy making this huge fluffy bunny. Okay. So this is how they all look together. They are ginormous.